Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML class. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML class today. HTML class. What is a HTML class? HTML class attribute is used to specify a class for an HTML element. HTML class attribute can specify a single or multiple class names for an HTML element. Inside HTML documents, we can use the same class attribute name with different elements. So multiple HTML elements can have the same class names. HTML class attribute is case sensitive. Note: web developers are encouraged to use names which should describe the semantic purpose of the element. What are the naming rules for HTML class? There are some rules to be followed while declaring the class names, listed below. 1. Class name must begin with a letter AZ or AZ. 2. Class name can be followed by letters, AZ, digits, 09, hyphens, dash, and underscores, underscore. Syntax: open tag name tag and inside class declaration and closed tag name tag. Tag name defines the HTML tag. Class defines the class name. Where the class attribute is used. Class attribute is mostly used inside 1. HTML documents. 2. CSS files. 3. JavaScript and other client-side scripting files. 1. HTML documents. Class can be directly accessed inside HTML documents inside style tag with .className format. 2. CSS files. Class can be accessed inside the HTML document inline style, and also in a separate CSS file with .className format. 3. JavaScript. Class can be accessed via the class selectors or functions like the DOM method document.getElements by class name. Declaring class name in HTML document. Example: in this example we have declared multiple heading tags and inside the heading tag class declaration is defined. Class attribute contains class names. The output of the HTML file is displayed with various heading tag content. Output: class name inside CSS style tag. Example: in this example we have declared multiple heading tags and inside the heading tag class declaration is defined. Class attribute contains class names. CSS style is applied for all the heading tags with reference to the class name declared inside the style tag. The output is displayed as headings with different colors. Output: class name inside JavaScript script tag. Example: in this example we have declared multiple heading tags and inside the heading tag class declaration is defined. Class attribute contains class names. Here we are applying the style content for the headings by using JavaScript tags. Inside the script tag we are getting the heading element by using the document.getElement by class name. Then we apply the colors for the heading tags by using the style property. The output shows the heading content with borders and different colors. Output: let's us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.